This festival going on behind me is illegal, or at least it used to be, kind of. We're here at the Fringe Festival in Scotland. Let's see what's going on. So how did the Fringe Festival begin? Back in 1947, they actually had the Edinburgh International Festival, which was put on post-World War II in order to celebrate the different European cultures. And during this festival in 1947, 8 theater groups decided to show up. Even though they weren't invited, they showed up and they put on performances here. And by doing so, they were considered on the fringe, or the outside, and put on their own festival, the Fringe Festival. Ever since then, more and more theater groups kept showing up year after year, and pretty soon it became its own festival called the Edinburgh Fringe Festival. And now there are thousands of shows, theaters, plays, all kinds of performances that go on here every single year for about 3 weeks in August. In 2019, the Fringe Festival sold over 3 million tickets, making it the 3rd most popular event in the world behind the World Cup and the Olympics. Now, it does get very crowded during the Fringe Festival. We just tried to have breakfast at a local coffee shop. They said it's gonna be an hour-long wait just to eat, and they just have one lady in there making food all by herself. So there's lots of competition here at the Fringe, 3,000 to 5,000 shows. So what people will do is stand outside, do a little mini performance, pique your interest, and then hand you their flyer so you go and check out their show. What outfit are you guys wearing?
We are wearing costumes for Zoe.
Okay.
And Zoe is a beautifully intense performance on at the Roxy at 3:30 every day.
Okay.
14. Okay.
Cool. Are you guys all in it?
Yes. The oldest acrobat in the French. Oh, wow. That's my claim to fame.
There you go.
It's a physical theatre performance, and it's really beautiful, and it's sort of it's our response to the climate crisis.
Okay.
Yeah.
Beautiful. If we have a card?
Absolutely can. We also have another show on the back.
Thank you. As we're walking through, everybody's handing us flyers and they're all saying 5-star, 5-star, 5-star.
Come and see me in my show! I am Wolf Soul! This man will die if you don't take this leaflet right now! Metal shriek and metal fall, metal here and...
When is your show?
Simply Blue.
And when is it?
At 10:30.
Okay, cool. Where are you guys from?
South Africa.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So we're high school students. We're in grade 11 and 12, so yeah, 12 and 13 here. So we're like 17 and 18 year olds. And yeah, so last year for school we really enjoyed singing together in a cappella group. So yeah, and also just to like see like fantastic Scotland and yeah, have fun.
Okay, cool. What is it?
It's a cappella, so we're doing a bit of jazz, bit of Stevie Wonder, Ain't No Mountain.
And where are you guys coming in from?
Cambridge University.
Oh, wow.
We're only on 12 noon on until Saturday. Come along, bring everyone.
And what brings you guys here?
Well, we want to take part in the Fringe,
we want to entertain, and yeah.
Fringe is the best place to do that.
Have you been here before?
No, this is our
This is our
first
first time. The group
Yeah.
has come here like few years ago, but this is most of our first time here, so we're excited.
Well, that group was from Cambridge. There are also other actors who've come here in the past from Cambridge. Emma Thompson, Stephen Fry, Hugh Lowry. Back in 1971, Robin Williams, before he was well known, actually performed here at the Fringe Festival, and his show won the Best Fringe Award. The movement has become so big that on July 11th, every single year, they have the World Fringe Festival, where Edinburgh and 200 other cities celebrate Fringe festivals all over the world.
Thank you very much. Have a lovely day. Take care.
Sometimes at these bigger festivals and events, you might see political statements, people holding political signs, things like that. Interestingly enough, I haven't seen that here at the Fringe. So we're going to a Fringe event right now, Epic Music Festival. 2-for-1 tickets, £13, or about $16. Next activity here at the Fringe Festival is to see Omid Jalalali. I don't think I pronounced that right, but it's Omid Jalalali. He's a Persian comedian, and you may have seen him in this movie as this character.
Deserter.
Maybe so, but who cares? It's Spaniard.
I'll take 6 for 1,000.
1,000? The Numidian alone is worth 2,000.
Tickets to see Omid, £17.50 or $23 US. 2 beers, £9 or $12 US.
Here's one of set. Need all these rooms?
Okay.
Technical problem just before while they're fixing up this experience happening.
I don't think those guys were part of any show. So no, obviously the Fringe Festival is not illegal, never was, but I hope you enjoyed watching this video of the Fringe Festival here in Edinburgh, Scotland.